horse's tail with it.
She said that'd be awesome. Help her. You can help her. It's okay.
No, that's Haley.
He said, can I?
It's Haley, but you can help.
Keep going.
There should be a. Oh, there it is. There it is. That's
We had to try it out first.
the. Yeah, sorry.
Is it got banned?
Go, Kaylee.
I'm letting him open it.
Oh.
Is it like the big? Had a feeling that was gonna happen. Waylon, like Haley here. You can help her, but she.
Stick Waylon in the big box.
Waylon, you want in the box? Or is it one more after this?
That's some help right there now. Don't you think?
That's the bad part, though. The presents.
I got over 2 in 1, so probably 3.
Katie, come here. Come here.
Waylon, are you helping or are you in the way?
You need to go faster, Pokey, before I run out of video.
Don't tear the boxes
There's
up.
too many fucking
We'll use them again for your Christmas present next year. Don't tear the boxes up. We'll use them again next year for your Christmas.
No kidding.
And if you're good, you'll get the other half.
I can't see for the boxes.
I get cat food. Amazing. What?
Those are recyclable cans too.
Oh my gosh. Just keep up.
You get $1 for it.
Elsa?
Jackie, will you move the boxes?
Oh, sorry. Put her back. Elsa. Okay. This one. Is there nothing in here? Is it really, really light? Yeah. Yeah, there's something in there. Okay.
Katie, y'all come here.
Come here, y'all.
One piece of gently used toilet paper.
Recyclable.
I think I just broke some boxes. Sorry.
Katie.
Are you on my so.
Katie, come here.
No, I'm not.
Katie. You and broke a wrapping paper. My parents once like wrapped money and in coins and duct taped it, and that's how we got all this money, and we had to like keep undoing it. It was horrible.
Hey, where's the dog?
It's a love letter.
What?
What?
It's a love letter.
Turn it over, turn it over, turn it over. What's it say? Sometimes the best gifts come in small packages.
Where's Riley's dog? He had a minute ago.
I told you! Yay!
What is it?
It's the Miranda Lambert concert thing.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I'm so happy. I was like, if she got me one of the tickets, I'm gonna flip.
I'll see you flip.
Okay.
You got enough padding down.
Is she too steaming?